Once again, a very good morning to you all. Students, let us begin our geography period with a beautiful thought. Colors fade, temples crumble, empires fall, but wise words endure. Students, let us begin our next chapter, air pressure. Students, you all know this activity of balloon to show that air has weight. In the picture, we can see that the balloons which are inflated balances equally at the tip of the stick, as we can see in the first figure. But when one is inflated and the other is not, the balance of stick is tipped on the side of full blown balloon. This shows that air is weight. So where there is air, it is tipped to that side. And the other side where the balloon is not inflated, where there is no air, it is not having any weight. So from this experiment, we can say that air also has weight. Students, anything that has weight exerts pressure on the thing that lies below it, whether that thing is steady or in motion. Now, students, along with me, do what I say. Now, just hold the hand above your head. What I am doing, you also have to do along with me. So, slowly and steadily bring the head down. Now, you can touch the hair. Are you feeling something? Yes, you can feel the pressure. Now keep the hand on your head. Now again you can feel the weight and the pressure. Now press your hand. Now pressure is more. In the same way, slowly and steadily raise the hand above and release the pressure. Now the pressure is less. As you take your hand little above, now you won't feel any pressure. Now why this is happening? Because the hand which we are holding, it also has weight, and when we are keeping it on the hand, the pressure is exerted on our hand. So now let us see the same thing again. As we have seen that the weight of the hand on the head, we can feel the pressure. In the same way, air in the atmosphere exerts pressure on the surface of the earth, as we were feeling on the surface of our head. Similarly, the pressure is felt on the surface of the earth. As we took the hand above, the pressure was released. Due to this air pressure, various phenomena like storm, precipitation, that means rain, hailstorm or snowfall, occurs in the atmosphere. Air has weight. Anything that has weight exerts pressure on the thing that lie below it. So, air has pressure. Earth's surface also feels the pressure due to the weight of the air. As we have seen, when we were holding the hand on your head, we were feeling the pressure due to the weight of our hand. In the same way, air in the atmosphere exerts pressure on the surface of the earth. Third point, due to this air pressure, various phenomena like storm, precipitation, etc. occur in the atmosphere. Fourth, air pressure is not uniform, that is not same on all the places on earth's surface. It varies from place to place. Next, air pressure keeps on changing from time to time. With the time it will change. The pressure will not remain same throughout the time. Last, the altitude of region, temperature of the air and amount of water vapor in the air are some factors influencing air pressure. Now altitude means the height of the region. We can see that the earth's surface is not uniform throughout. Somewhere there are mountains and hills. In some region we can see the coastal area. somewhere there is low lying areas. In this way there are ups and downs. So according to the altitude, that is height, it changes. We know the surface of the earth is not same everywhere, so the pressure will also change. Now in the next period, let us see in detail. Till here, read the chapter carefully, understand these points and write it down in your copy. Thank you.